Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for the perfect chair to add comfort and style to your office, lounge, living room, or gaming setup, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be reviewing the amazing office lounge living room chairs, armchair gaming relaxing living room chair, dining room sets, backrest accent Poltrona furniture. This chair is not just your average piece of furniture. It's a game changer when it comes to comfort and style. With its ergonomic design and high-quality materials, it's perfect for long hours of work, gaming, or simply relaxing after a long day. The backrest provides ample support for your spine, while the cushioned seat offers a luxurious feel that you won't want to get up from. But it's not just about comfort. This chair's sleek and modern design will elevate the look of any room. Whether you want to add a pop of color to your office or create a cozy reading nook in your living room, this chair is the perfect choice. With its durable construction and easy assembly, you can trust that this chair will stand the test of time. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain, so you can enjoy it for years to come. So why should you invest in the office lounge living room chairs, armchair gaming relaxing living room chair, dining room sets, backrest accent Poltrona furniture? Because it's not just a chair, it's a statement piece that will enhance the comfort and style of your space. If you're ready to add a touch of luxury to your home or office, click the link in the description to purchase this amazing chair. You won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching.